Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with a yogurt maker. First, gather your essential ingredients, milk and a live starter culture. Next, ensure all your equipment, especially the yogurt maker and any utensils, are perfectly clean to prevent contamination. Then, gently heat your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step denatures the milk proteins, creating a thicker, creamier yogurt texture. Let's get cooking. Once your milk reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to cool it down. Bring the temperature to between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, ideally 110 degrees. This temperature range is perfect for the beneficial bacteria in your starter culture. Gently stir in your chosen starter culture until it's completely dissolved and evenly distributed. Then, carefully pour the cultured milk into the individual containers of your yogurt maker, preparing for incubation. Now the magic happens. Place the containers into your yogurt maker and set it to incubate for 6 to 10 hours. The longer it ferments, the tangier and thicker your yogurt will become. It's important not to disturb the yogurt during this time to allow the cultures to work effectively. Once fermentation is complete, remove the containers and chill your fresh yogurt in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This stops the fermentation and improves texture. Your delicious homemade yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or crunchy granola. Store any leftover yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. For more great deals, and to find out how to bring your space to life with a smart speaker, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy yogurt making.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.